Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will fix the error code 0xC000014C blue screen problem on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. Firstly, start your laptop from a bootable USB. This is required because your system is not starting normally, so we need to access recovery tools from the USB. Now press any key on the keyboard. This ensures your system boots from the USB instead of the internal hard drive. Now enter your language and other preferences, and then click Next. This step prepares the setup environment based on your system region and keyboard settings. Now you can see Repair your computer. Then click on it. This will open the Windows recovery environment where advanced troubleshooting options are available. After that, click on Troubleshoot. This section contains different tools to fix startup-related issues. Now click on Startup Repair. This tool automatically scans your system and tries to fix boot-related problems. Now select your user account and then enter the password. And then click on Continue. This step allows Windows to access your system files and perform the repair process. Wait for some time while the repair process completes. This may take a few minutes depending on your system performance. Then click on Shutdown. Now again click on Troubleshoot. We are now moving to a manual repair step to make sure the issue is completely fixed. Now click on Command Prompt. This will open a command window where we can repair boot files manually. Now type bootrex/rebuild BSOD and then press Enter. This command scans your system for installed Windows versions and rebuilds the boot configuration data, which is often corrupted in this error. Wait for some time while the process completes. Now type Y and then press Enter. This confirms adding your Windows installation to the boot list. Then click on the cross button to close it. Now click on Continue. Now your system will start normally. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.